What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SOFI stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news and I will show you amazing news that you might already know about the student loan moratorium. And I will show you why does Anthony Notta remain silent about this situation. And at the end of this video I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we completed all 5 wave structure from its swing low of $4.64 all the way to the $8 mark. And I've told you that we can accumulate our position from the levels of 0.382, it is the price point of $6.81, all the way through 0.5 and this $6.42 to the golden pocket range. And we hit only the first accumulation point, and from this level you might be up to the current price for about 11%. Definitely very good achievement in a matter of just 3 sessions. But I have to say that for now we hit the crucial points and I will show you what I am talking about in just several minutes in my technical analysis. But for now let's continue with the fundamental news. And the main fundamental news that might drive the price of SOFI is right here. On WashingtonPost.com on May 27th we have this article and it's titled "Latest White House Plan Would Forgive $10,000 in Student Debt Per Borrower." The administration has been nearing a final decision on the matter but may delay an announcement. And let me quote you these details. White House officials are currently planning to cancel $10,000 in student debt per borrower after months of internal deliberations over how to structure loan forgiveness for tens of millions of Americans, 3 people with knowledge of the matter said. President Biden had hoped to make the announcement as soon as this weekend at the University of Delaware commencement, the people said, but that timing has changed after the massacre Tuesday in Texas. And I have to say that it is really upset and I'm so sorry about this action. Definitely it shouldn't happen, and me and my wife are very sorry about this. The White House's latest plans called for limiting debt forgiveness to Americans who earned less than $150,000 in the previous year or less than $300,000 for married couples filing jointly, 2 of the people said. So, and definitely it is a very good news that might drastically increase the fundamental numbers of SOFI. And you might wonder, why does Anthony Notta remain silent about this situation? And let me show you this. The people who spoke on the condition of anonymity, because they were not authorized to discuss the deliberations, cautioned that some details of these plans could change before the White House make the decision official. And this is the first reason, because we don't have all the details about this forgiveness. On top of that, let me show you this. Wiping out $10,000 of debt per borrower could cost roughly $230 billion according to estimates by the Committee for a Responsible Federal Budget, a non-partisan think tank. However, restarting payments for borrowers which have been on hold since March 2020 would bring additional money into federal coffers. The think tank said in March that pausing payments had cost the federal government $100 billion and would run around $50 billion per year to maintain. Definitely right after the debt forgiveness, we will see the restart of borrowers' payments. And definitely it will increase the numbers of SOFI. And let me show you that previously, right after the latest extension of federal student loan payment moratorium, SOFI posted this update, and let me quote to this. SOFI's updated adjusted net revenue and adjusted EBITDA guidance for full year 2022 is $1.47 billion and $100 million respectively, a reduction from previous guidance of $1.57 billion and $180 million respectively. Definitely these numbers will be increased with this news, with the news of student loan forgiveness. And definitely, guys, it is not the real forgiveness. Somebody has to pay it, and definitely it will be a taxpayers who will pay for this forgiveness, and definitely it will be the forgiveness only for the borrowers and not for the business. This means SOFI will receive this money as the revenue, and definitely it is a good sign. And let me show you these details. The White House is not expected to immediately release all the details of the process borrowers would use to get their debts cancelled, but it could be quite complicated logistically. On top of that, it probably will take months for the education department to implement any program. And this is the main reason why Anthony Notta keeps silence about this situation. And previously he posted a lot of tweets about the debt forgiveness, but for now he didn't post any tweet about this because for now we don't have official statement. And definitely this news might be very beneficial for the short-term traders of SOFI stock, but right after this momentum will decrease, we might see even lower prices for SOFI because of the general situation of the market. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, depending on the date, depending on the time when we will see the official statement from the administration, we will see major movement to the upside, but in my opinion it won't last for the long time because it is just temporary excitement about this news. And we should know, as an investors, we should see basically all the details, and we should see the numbers of current stock, the numbers, the fundamental numbers of SOFI that will reflect all the pros that this forgiveness will bring. So definitely, first of all, we should see an increase in revenue, and this increase in revenue we will see right after the next earnings report will be published. And definitely this might be very attractive from the investor standpoint, but for now this time frame won't reflect the real situation about this moratorium, and that is why we have to be cautious. So what should we expect next from the price action? As you can see, we have this ABC correction right here. From this top we clearly see this three waves structure, but it is very short in a matter of time because we have, let me show it to you, we had about 10 days with this movement to the upside, and we have only 4 days with this retracement. I think we might see some kind of longer retracement and longer consolidation phase, and in this case this ABC correction is nothing else but the A wave on a slightly bigger scale. This might be the B wave, and we might land somewhere lower in order to complete our C wave on a slightly bigger scale. Let me upgrade this scale a bit. So as you can see, this might be the major retracement, and if it is the case, definitely we might have some kind of movement to the downside. And let me show you that, let me turn off this tool right now. If I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this top to this bottom, as you can see, we reach the crucial level. It is the golden pocket range, and it is the confluence with the top of our B wave, internal B wave, and it is the confluence with these two tops right here. This means it is a very strong resistance at the price point of roughly $7.56. And if we have ABC correction like this, on the greater scale, we can pull the Fibonacci extension tool to project some targets. And I will pull it from this top to this bottom, and if it is the top of the B wave, we should place the third point right here, and these are the ranges where we might land the bottom of our C wave. I don't need this tool in order to see it more clear, and let me show you that we might have it like this. Definitely the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level might be as a double bottom pattern. Somewhere at these ranges we might have a bounce, or the most probable range might be right here at $6.21. Definitely it is not set in stone, and if we will bounce from these ranges in upcoming week, and it will be quite short week, I have to say, we might see this price action, and if it is the case, you can accumulate your position from the levels of about 6.67 all the way down to $6.2. And the price target is still the same. It is the previous swing high. If I switch to 4 hours time frame, it is this previous swing high at the price point of roughly $10.6, and from the entry level, potential entry level, we might have about 65% of profits. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up.